Highlight's Synergy 1.5 is designed with Fast Film Feed. Fast Film Feed is the quickest, most convenient, and most reliable method to thread film through the pre-stretch rollers. The Synergy 1.5 incorporates two larger 4 1/8 inch diameter pre-stretch rollers. Other manufacturers use smaller 2 3/4 inch and 3 3/4 inch diameter pre-stretch rollers. Increased pre-stretch roller surface means increased film contact for more precise film stretch, less film neck down, and higher levels of stretch applied to your load. The Synergy 1.5 with Fast Film Feed allows the film to unwind into the pre-stretch in either a clockwise or counterclockwise direction. This will assure that any film, even one-side cling films, will be stretched to the highest yield. The pre-stretch rollers will not operate until the Film Assist button or the Start button is pushed. This safety feature prevents accidental startup when threading film through the pre-stretch. Highlight's Synergy 1.5 with Fast Film Feed is the quickest, most convenient, and most reliable method to thread film. Plus, it will deliver the highest, most consistent film yield for the lowest cost to wrap your load. When looking for the highest quality, the highest value equipment, look to the innovations in stretch wrapping systems from Highlight Industries.